Hello, and welcome to JXJ Aviation. In this video, we will be looking at what are high-lift devices, and the advantage of having high-lift devices. What are high-lift devices? These devices are surfaces that are installed on the wings to increase the lift produced by the wings. These devices are useful when an aircraft is operating at low speeds, such as during takeoff or during landing. So let's look at some high-lift devices on the wings, and the advantage of these devices. The flaps. Flaps are a type of high-lift devices, which are installed on the trailing edge of the wing. The flaps extend downwards, which causes an increase in the lift. This is because when the flaps extend, the wing's surface area, and the wing's camber, will increase. Normally, there are different flap settings available for use during takeoff, or during landing. Flap settings, and impact. Flap setting refers to the angle of deflection of the flaps. They are usually referred as config 1, 2, 3, or full, depending on the type of aircraft. Higher flap configuration means more lift is produced, but the drag also increases. This means that during takeoff, where an aircraft's speed increases, a lower flap configuration, such as config 1, is used. This is to ensure sufficient lift is created at takeoff speed, and at the same time less drag is generated on the wings. Before landing, the aircraft's speed is reduced, so higher flap configuration is used in order to increase the drag, and also create more lift on the aircraft. The slats. The slats are another type of high-lift device, which are installed on the leading edge of the wings. Just like the flaps, the slats can only extend downwards, and there are different slat angles, or configurations. Impact of slats. When the slats extend forward, the lift increases, because of an increase in the surface area of the wing. In addition, the slats also create a gap between the leading edge of the wing and the slat surface. These are called as slots. Depending on whether the aircraft is going to take off or land, different slat configurations are used. Advantage of flaps and slats. The biggest concern, when flying an aircraft at low speeds, is stall. Stall refers to flow separation over the top surface of the wing. The angle of attack, at which stall occurs, is called as stall angle. Let's consider a wing with the flaps and slats fully retracted. As the angle of attack increases, the lift increases till it reaches the stall angle, as shown in the graph. When the flaps are extended, more lift is created on the wings, but there is no change in the stall angle. When the slats are extended, the lift increases, with an increase in the angle of attack. Here the stall angle also increases. This means that the aircraft can fly at higher angles of attack, with the slats extended. For an aircraft to fly safely at low speeds, both flaps and slats are installed, and used in different configurations. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe,